In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly budget table using Claude and Google Sheets. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow. The goal is to quickly generate a clean budget layout, move it into a spreadsheet, and then make it more useful by adding automatic totals. This is a great approach if you want a fast starting point for tracking your money without building a budget sheet completely from scratch. To begin, open Claude AI in Chrome. Once you're there, enter this prompt. Create a monthly budget table with income, fixed expenses, and savings. This prompt tells Claude exactly what kind of structure you want, and it should return a formatted table that gives you a solid foundation for a basic monthly budget. When the table appears, take a moment to review it so you understand how the categories are organized before moving on. Next, copy the formatted table provided by Claude. Make sure you copy the full table so the structure stays intact when you move it into your spreadsheet. Keeping the formatting as consistent as possible at this stage will save you time later and make the sheet easier to read. After that, open a blank Google Sheet in Chrome. Start with a completely empty spreadsheet so the pasted table has room to drop in cleanly without overlapping any existing data. Click into cell A1, which is the top left cell of the sheet, and paste the table there. Pasting into A1 ensures the entire budget starts in the correct position and keeps the layout organized from the very beginning. Once it's pasted, you should see the budget table transferred into Google Sheets, ready for editing. The final step is to add equals sum formulas to total your income and expense columns automatically. This is what turns the sheet from a static table into a useful working budget. In the total cell for your income column, type a sum formula that includes the income amounts in that column. Then do the same for the expense column, selecting the cells that contain your fixed expenses. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the totals for you, and those totals will update whenever you change a number later. As a quick tip, double check that your formulas are pointing to the correct cell range before you rely on the totals. A small mistake in the selected cells can throw off your numbers. Once that's done, you'll have a clean monthly budget sheet with automatic calculations, making it much easier to track income, expenses, and savings consistently.